So guys, Meta just shocked the entire world with their new text-to-video model, MovieGen. I mean, literally, this model is Meta's Sora, and I'm not exaggerating at all. Everything from the quality of the video to its audio generation capabilities is shockingly good. This model can create complex, dynamic scenes that look like they're straight out of a movie production studio. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into what makes MovieGen stand out, break down its core features, and explain why everyone is going crazy about it right now. So let's get started. Currently, the best text-to-video generation model is Runway Gen 3. So here are some side-by-side comparison videos. Yeah, I know Runway is good, but look at this. Are you telling me this video wasn't shot with a cinema camera? I'm genuinely shocked. Just look at the details and coherence. It's hard to believe that we can now generate this quality of video using AI. Literally just 12 months ago, we all saw that Will Smith spaghetti eating video. The rate of progress in AI is just insane. Here's another demo. The prompt for this video is, asterisk, a sloth with pink sunglasses lays on a donut float in a pool. The sloth is holding a tropical drink. The world is tropical. The sunlight casts a shadow. I have to say, the water texture and lighting are on point. I've seen many objects floating on water in other video models, but they're not even close to this. It just feels very natural to me. If you're still not convinced that this is now Meta's Sora, watch this video. The prompt for this video is, asterisk, a red-faced monkey with white fur is bathing in a natural hot spring. The monkey is playing in the water with a miniature sailboat in front of it, made of wood with a white sail and a small rudder. The hot spring is surrounded by lush greenery, with rocks and trees. What's impressive in this video is not just the monkey, it's the boat. Just look at the water waves and how the boat floats in sync with them. No doubt Meta put a lot of effort into perfecting this. MovieGen is hands down one of the most advanced and immersive storytelling tools out there right now. It has 4 main features: video generation, personalized video creation, super precise video editing, and even audio generation. To achieve this level of quality, Meta trained it using a combination of licensed and publicly available datasets. If you're into the technical details, you can check out the research paper they published. In this blog post, they're giving us a sneak peek into how each of these features performs. And, honestly, it's seriously impressive. So what happens here is that this model takes a text prompt and uses a joint approach that's been fine-tuned for both text-to-image and text-to-video generation. It's a massive 30 billion parameter transformer model that can actually produce high-quality, high-definition images and videos. What's cool is that it can generate videos up to 16 seconds long, running at 16 frames per second. What really sets this model apart is its ability to understand and reason about things like object motion, interactions between subjects and objects, and even how the camera moves within the scene. It's able to learn realistic motions for a huge range of different concepts, which is why it's considered a state-of-the-art model in its field. Okay, so they didn't stop there. They've taken this foundational model and leveled it up to support personalized video generation. Essentially, you can feed it a picture of a person and combine it with a text prompt, and the model will generate a video that includes that person, along with all the cool visual details you described in the text. It's pretty amazing because it's able to keep the person's identity and motion super realistic. This makes it one of the best models out there for creating personalized videos. There's also an editing version of the main model that takes both a video and a text prompt as inputs. It's extremely precise and can do some impressive things, like adding, removing, or replacing elements in the video, and even making larger changes like switching up the background or overall style. What's cool is that it combines video generation with advanced image editing without disrupting the original content. It only targets the parts you want to change. This makes it much more user-friendly than traditional tools, which require pro-level skills, or other generative models that lack this kind of accuracy. And then there's the audio generation. They've trained a 13 billion parameter model that can generate high-quality audio up to 45 seconds long using a video as input and an optional text prompt. It can create everything from ambient sounds and sound effects to instrumental background music, all perfectly synced with what's happening on screen. They've even introduced a new audio extension technique, allowing the model to create coherent audio for videos of any length. Long story short, it's setting a new standard for audio quality, syncing audio to video, and aligning text prompts with sound. Here's a demo of a man with his dog. You can just upload your image, and MovieGen will create a digital version of yourself. To be honest, this is a bit scary. It's not just a face swap video. It's really AI creating a digital version of you. We should be very careful when using these kinds of technologies, but this opens a whole new door for filmmakers. Now you can generate entire movies with your personalized character, not just a random face. It's not just about movies. There's a whole new world of unexplored possibilities. Personally, I'd love to create a digital version of myself for my YouTube channel. Here's another demo. A painter painting, but here's the catch. You can change the face with a single click. That's amazing, but what's more shocking is the realism in this video. The face looks so realistic that, at first glance, it's very hard to tell this video was AI-generated. With MovieGen, you can not only generate videos, but also edit them. This is an incredible feature. So here are some more demos they provided. There's a video of a man running, and you can edit it with a simple prompt. For example, text input, add a blue pom-pom in his hand. Another one is, turn the background into a cactus desert. Next, replace his clothes with a dinosaur costume. This is like giving superpowers to filmmakers. You can see a bunch of examples they provided, and all of them look stunning. There's no doubt about it. Future filmmaking is about to change, and I'm ready for it. We all know that creating professional quality films has traditionally been a challenge. You need expensive gear, high-end software, and a lot of technical skills just to get started. But now, with tools like Meta's MovieGen, all of that is changing. MovieGen significantly lowers the barrier to entry for anyone looking to create stunning visuals. You don't need a high-end camera or complex editing software to produce content that looks like it's straight out of a Hollywood studio. All you need is a text prompt, and the AI does the rest, generating scenes that include everything from realistic lighting and textures to intricate movements that mimic professional cinematography. This means you can focus more on storytelling and less on the technical hurdles. Imagine creating an entire short film just by describing the scenes you want to see. The possibilities are endless. For budding directors, this is a game changer that levels the playing field and lets creativity take center stage. Next, let's talk about content creators. If you're on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you know that standing out in a sea of content can be tough. But with tools like this, enhancing your videos is easier than ever. Say you want to create a dynamic travel vlog. Instead of traveling to multiple locations, you could use text prompts to change the background, or add effects that make it look like you're in a completely different place. Or, if you're a lifestyle influencer, you can create content that's more engaging by adding creative elements like animated overlays or personalized messages, all without spending hours in post-production. Think about how much time this saves. You get to focus on engaging with your audience and coming up with new ideas, while the AI handles the heavy lifting of making your content visually stunning. Okay, so you're excited about Meta MovieGen and want to get your hands on it. Let's talk about how you can get started. Right now, it's available in a limited preview for select users, but don't worry, there's more coming soon. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this or found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's into tech or content creation. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay in the loop with more updates on cool new tools like this. I'm curious, how would you use Meta MovieGen? Would you create your own short films, make some fun social media videos, or maybe experiment with something totally new? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and having fun with your creations. See ya!